Hi guys, Rob from Bill and Ben's Hydro World here. I just want to show you the Bristol Fish Project's nitrite and nitrate testing kits. We've got so many fish in our tank. We've got about 750 litres in the tank, but we've got about 60 fish. Now the average is about 40 fish. They're getting quite big now. They're about that big. Plate size is going to be a little bit bigger, and then we can start culling them and taking them out. But what I'm going to do now is show you how I test it to find out my nitrite levels and my nitrate levels. Now I've got this quick drop nitrite test, quick drop, and quick drop nitrate test. Now what I need to do is fill these little measuring jugs up to 5 ml of water. So I'm going to take you over there now and show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to unplug you and then walk you over there. So basically, well, I know actually I tested it a bit earlier and I know that I'm a bit high. So what I'm doing is emptying the water out and putting some fresh water in. I can adjust the pH values later. So I need 5 ml to do each test with. There we go. 5 ml, a little bit over maybe. A little drop out. Right. Okay, let's take these back to where I was. Just plug you in there because I'm getting low on battery. Right, okay. To test your nitrite, you're supplied with 2 bottles, A and B. Now from A, you put 7 ml in. There's full instructions are here, little colour chart as well to tell you how to read it. When you get after 5 minutes, it gives you a colour. And yeah, these are my little instructions. So first A, you put 7 in, 7 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Little 12. And then B, you put 5 drops in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Little 12. Right, and we're going to let that sit for 5 minutes. So it's 2:54 now. Actually, that's how long the video's going, but that'll do. Let's see, I've got a clock over here, 11:35. Right, make sure you put the top on. So we're going to check that 11:40. Now the nitrate is a bit more complicated. You've got 2 different powders, an A and a B. And we get little spoons provided like this, little measuring spoons. And I'm going to take 1 scoop of A, put it in the water, put the top back on, and you need to give this a bit of a shake to dissolve it. I've actually got a cracked tube here, this is leaking, but never mind. Right, that's dissolved a bit. Then I'm going to take B, which is a darker powder, take a different spoon that's been supplied with it so I don't contaminate each of the different powders. Right, put the lid back on, give it a little swirl, try and dissolve that up, and then we've got an agent here again like the last one, and we're going to put 5 drops of that in to make it react, and you might see it change in colour really quite quickly. Can you see that going to orange? Now we need to give this a shake for 30 seconds and then leave it for 5 minutes, and then we're going to compare it against our colour charts for the nitrate and the nitrite. Okay, I'll be back with you in 5. Right, hi there, I'm back again. It's been 5 minutes since I did this test. Now I want to show you the colours on the nitrite. Now as you can see, it's quite a pinky orangey red. And what you need to do is hold it against this chart and find out where it's corresponding. As you can see, I think we're all the way down here, which is 2 milligrams, which is actually the highest on the chart. You go from yellow to red. So we're pretty high on the nitrite. I have upped the levels of fish food recently, and that might be the reason why it's getting so high. Also the number of fish in the tank. Right, let's have a look at our nitrate. Yeah, as you can see, this one's kind of yellow, kind of orangey, sort of dark green blue, greeny grey. It's hard to call what colour that is. Anyway, it's somewhere around here, in between these two, I think. So that's 2.5 milligrams, and that's 5 milligrams. So I think we're on 3 to 4 milligrams. So it's quite easy to do your test. I haven't got an ammonia test, but I think if you keep your nitrates and your nitrite levels under control, then you know that your ammonia is going to be okay as well. So that's it for the moment. It's quite easy to do these tests. I think I picked these up for £3 each. They were half price, so that's probably about £6 a box. They've got 60 tests in each. So what I'm doing to remedy the situation is emptying water out of the tank and putting fresh water in. That's going to probably raise the pH a bit, but I can deal with that by adding phosphoric acid. But you don't want to do too much of that either, so it's a bit of a balancing act. Okay, until the next time, speak to you soon, bye.